Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 10th standard maths, lesson 5, coordinate geometry. Before we start the exercise, now I explain some basic definitions for equations of straight lines. The first one is equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. The second one is equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Next we use the formula slope intercept form in this exercise. Slope intercept form of the equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is equal to slope, c is equal to constant terms on the given equation. So the next formula is point slope form. Point slope form of this equation of the straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 comma y1 is the given point and m is denoted by slope. The next formula is 2-point form. So 2-point form of the how to find the two points are given. How to find the equation of the straight line is using this formula y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the 2-point form. The next formula is intercept form. That is x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. So in this exercise, using this all the formulas, the first one is equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Next one, equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Then slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. Then point slope form given is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Then 2 point is given. We use this one, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. The intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So now I explain exercise 5.3. First one, find the equation of a straight line passing through the midpoint of a line segment joining the points 1, minus 5, 4, 2. So we find parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. So find the equation of this parallel to the x-axis and parallel to the y-axis. So first we find it midpoint of the line segment. Already we know how to find the midpoint, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So midpoint of the line joining the points 1, minus 5, then 4, 2 is. We consider 1, minus 5, x1, y1, then 4, 2, x2, y2. So find the midpoint 1 plus 4 divided by 2. x1 is 1, then x2 is 4. So x1 plus x2 by 2. Y1 is minus 5, then y2 value is plus 2 divided by 2. So minus 5 plus 2 divided by 2. So 1 plus 4, 5 by 2, minus 5 plus 2, minus 3 divided by 2. This is the midpoint of the line segment. So the next we find the equation of straight line passing through the point 5, 2 minus 3 divided by 2 and parallel to x-axis. Already we know parallel to x-axis the equation is y is equal to 0. Here y point is minus 3 by 2. So y is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Then 2 is come this side, 2y minus 3 change it to the left hand side plus 3. So 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis. Next we find the parallel to y-axis. So parallel to y-axis the equation is x equal to 0. So x is equal to here 5 divided by 2. So here 2 is multiplied here 2x plus 5 is moved into the left hand side minus 5. So 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line parallel to the y-axis. So this is a solution for the first one. The second sum, the equation of a straight line is 2 into x minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. So find its slope, inclination and intercept on the y-axis. So first we write it. Given equation of the straight line is given equation of a straight line is 2 into x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So multiply 2x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. This is the straight line equation. So first we find the slope of the line. Slope of the line. Already we know the equation is given. Find the slope using this formula minus the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So here coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is minus 2. Already minus here, minus 2 divided by minus 2 is equal to 1. So the slope of the line is equal to 1. The second one we find the inclination. So slope of the line we found it is equal to 1. That is tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta equal to 1, then theta is equal to 45 degree because tan 45 degree value is 1. So the inclination of the straight line is 45 degree. Next we find the intercept on y-axis. So put x equal to 0 in equation number 1. We have put x equal to 0, 2 into 0, 0. So the remaining variable is minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Then minus 2y is equal to plus 5 go that side minus 5. Then y is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. So y is equal to 5 by 2. So therefore we write the solution y intercept is equal to 5 by 2. So on the second sum, the slope of the equation is 1. The inclination of the straight line is 45 degree. Then intercept on y-axis is 5 by 2. This is the solution for the second one. In the third sum, Find the equation of a line whose inclination is 30 degree and making an intercept minus 3 on the y-axis. So we find the equation of the straight line. Here theta and y-intercept is given. So given theta is equal to 30 degree. So that means m is equal to tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree value is 1 divided by root 3. So the slope of the equation is 1 divided by root 3. Then already given y-intercept is minus 3. So the required equation of the straight line of the line is, here slope and intercept is given. So using the formula y is equal to mx plus c, slope intercept form. Here we substitute the value for slope and intercept value. So y is equal to 1 divided by root 3 into x plus intercept c is minus 3. So here minus root 3, multiply on both sides for root 3. So root 3y is equal to x minus 3 into root 3. So plus root 3y go that side, move to the right hand side, minus root 3y. So we write it in order, x minus root 3y minus 3 into root 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line. So this is the solution for the third one. So dear students, today we learned about equation of straight line, some basic formulas, and using that formulas exercise 5.3 sums are given. Prepare well. Thank you.